Hey guys, it's Beyonce Whip My Hair from Whip My Hair Enterprise, and today's hair tutorial is on a protective hairstyle, the locked hairstyle that I'm rocking now, and I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure how I achieve this look, and I'm gonna jump right into it. Woo! And that's me rocking my braids after 2 days. Yeah, I rocked my braids to work, so that's me there. Okay, so when you talk about a girl with a lot of hair, that's me. I mean, I have boxes of hair, like big boxes, like printer size boxes with hair, and I have my bag of used braids, which I use to achieve this look. Now, I can't say exactly how many packs of braids I have used to achieve this look, but I would say about 2 to 3 packs because it isn't a long length. And the types of braids that I used were various brands. So some brands were thinner than the others, while some were thicker. Some of the brands that I used were the Sweet Brand Braid. I used Kanekelon. I used Xpression braids. So I did a mixture of both because some of the braids that I had previously were different colors, were different textures. So to match back the textures to get the look that I wanted, and the color of my hair, because I recently bleached my hair a yellow color, I had to mix the different brands of hair so as to not go to the regular beauty store and get new packs of braids. Honestly speaking, new packs of braids are harder to be used to achieve this look because they're more silkier, they haven't been used, so they slip off your hair easier. In the video, I'm just demonstrating how I inserted the braids. I used the crochet method. So I insert the crochet pin underneath my hair. I open the latch and I hook the hair over it. So the hair is hooked in the center and the two ends of it are slipped through to create a loop. Now, when this loop is created, I hold the two strands of hair and slip them through the knot and basically draw them through it to create a knot. Now, when the knot is created, I pull it even tighter to secure the knot. And that is when I start wrapping around the roots of the hair firstly to cover the knot that I have just created. And I continue wrapping around to ensure that my entire hair is covered. Basically, creating a seal for my hair using the braids. So I continue with the wrapping method around and around and around until when I get to the end. Now, I'm going to show you exactly what happens when you get to the end. So you want to ensure when you're wrapping also that you're wrapping the hair tightly enough to cover and also wide enough. So you're not rolling the braids on your hand as you go along because you want it to cover the width of your hair. And when you roll the braids, you're not going to get it to cover the length of the hair as much as possible. So now I'm showing you when the braid runs out. So sometimes the braid runs out in the middle. What I do is to hold up the second braid. I hold it to the hair, hold it to the hair. Then I leave a little piece of the previous braid that I was using, hold the new braid to the hair, and I just use the old braid to wrap around the top part of the new braid that I am using to just secure it onto it. I wrap it about 3 times, and then after wrapping it 3 times, then I use the old braid and the new braid together. I just hold them, the strands together, and start wrapping along my hair so it would have been securely notched so it will not ravel out. And I just continue using the same wrapping method along my hair until it reaches to the end. So that's just it. You just keep wrapping, you just keep wrapping, you just keep wrapping until you get to the end. Now, what happens when you get to the end of the hair? When you get to the end of the hair, what I did was to fold my end of hair under, like about a ½ inch of my hair under. That's folded a ½ inch of my hair under and just wrap the end. So I'm just showing you how I section my hair. Here I section my hair using elastics, and hair was oiled, and I'm just showing you again how I went in with inserting the braids in my hair, my length hair. I didn't add any braids, guys. And I feel so pleased with this look to know that the only fake hair I have on is the ones that are wrapped over my hair. Like it's just amazing to know that my hair has grown, because I recently did a big chop. Not recently, but like about a year and a half now, and my hair has really grown to this length. So I am really happy to see the results. Okay, so that's the finished look. You can check out my work on Whip My Hair Enterprise on Instagram. That's my page. You can go over and check it out. You can book your appointments there by clicking the link that says book now, and you can also hit me up on WhatsApp to book your appointments. I do one-on-one tutorials, so you can also book me to learn how to get these hairstyles done. And that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Until next time.